Good morning, dear kids. It's time for EVST class. Are you ready for the class? Okay. Dear kids, as we are doing lesson 4, our clothes. And yesterday we have understood why we wear clothes. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and wind. Clothes also protect us from dust and dirt. Dear students, do you know clothes make us beautiful? We look smart when we wear clothes. Yes, we wear sober clothes. We wear clothes according to weather, season, occasion. Yes, when we go to the party in a marriage, so we wear party dress. Yes, party wear clothes. And if we go to office, yes, college or school, we wear uniform. We wear uniform. But at home, we wear casual clothes. We wear casual clothes like t-shirt, yes, lower, shirt, shorts. So this way. So we wear clothes according to the season, weather, occasion, etc. And yesterday we also learnt about summer season clothes. As you can see in the picture, the boy and the girl have worn light clothes, cotton clothes, and they are short. Yes, so they have worn summer season clothes because in the summer we get heat from sun. So we have to protect our body from the heat of sun. So we wear cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes. And you also draw the cotton clothes in the given box. Yes, I got many beautiful pictures of the clothes like t-shirt, shorts, shirts, hat, tank top, skirts. So these types of clothes we wear in summer season. They keep our body cool. Today we will learn and understand about the winter season clothes. Yes, these clothes are also called woolen clothes. Okay, as you can see in the picture, you can see the snowfall in the picture. They are in hilly region where they get snowfall. So there is the weather is cold and they are feeling cool, cold in the weather. So they are wearing woolen clothes like cap, woolen cap. This is woolen cap. This is scarf, sweaters, shoes, yes, gloves. So we can see the woolen clothes. Let's read. Open page number 33, page number 32. Page number 32. Start reading with ma'am. We wear woolen clothes in winters. In winters, we wear woolen clothes. These clothes keep us warm. So, like cotton clothes keep our body cool, woolen clothes keep our body warm. Keep our body warm. We get wool from some animals. We get wool from animals like sheep, wool is used for knitting sweaters. So we get wool from the sheep first. It goes to the factories to make it fine, and then through machines it got knitted, and after knitting we get sweaters, caps, socks and other woolen clothes. People living in very cold places wear fur and leather clothes. It means if there is a region where they get all whole year snowfall, in this type of area people wear fur and leather so that they can keep our body warm for long time. When animals die of old age, their skin is used for making fur and leather goods. Dear students, please understand, when an animal die of old age, okay, then their skin is used for making fur and leather goods. लेदर की चीज़ें बनाई जाती हैं, फर बनाए जाते हैं. जब किसी एनिमल की डेथ हो जाती है तो उसकी बॉडी को वेस्ट ना करके उसकी बॉडी की स्किन को यूज़ करके डिफरेंट चीज़ें बनाई जाती हैं, क्योंकि एनिमल्स की जो स्किन होती है वो हार्ड होती है और हमारी जो विंटर में हमारी बॉडी को ठंड ना लगे, इसलिए हम एनिमल्स की स्किन का यूज़ करके ग्लव्स, जैकेट्स, बहुत सारी चीज़ें बनाते हैं. एंड दीज थिंग्स आर कॉल्ड लेदर गुड्स. We should never hunt animals for their skin, but we have to be careful. We have to be sensible that we should never hunt animals for their skin. If they are dying due to their age, then we can use the skin, but it should not be our purpose to kill them for their skin. Okay, dear students, so this way we got to know that we get wool from animal like sheep and leather from animal skin. Now it's time for activity. Draw the picture of winter clothes and write their name. As we have drawn the picture of summer season clothes, please draw the picture of winter clothes, okay, and write their name. Dear students, please color the picture also. So we see some examples of woolen clothes: coat, hat, ear muffs. Yes, we use ear muffs to protect our ear from wind, okay, cold air. Scarf, gloves, boots. So these are some examples you can draw in your book. So dear students, please read the page and draw the picture. This is your homework. And dear students, as I told you that animals, we use the skin of animals, but we should not hunt the animals for their skin, as we have already learned and we understand that animals are our friends. They also want to live like us. Yes, जैसे हम अपने पास कैट, डॉग, काऊ रखते हैं, उसी प्रकार से हमें उनसे प्यार हो जाता है. It means they also want to live like us. Yes, so we should not tease or kill them. तो हमें उनको भी प्यार करना है, उनको अच्छे से ट्रीट करना है. I hope you get the message and you understand about the woolen clothes, winter season clothes. Now time to do the work. Thank you. Have a nice day.